Question 44 is, if I have electric storage heaters, can I have a heat pump? And the answer, of course, is yes, everybody can have a heat pump. But we have to be really realistic about this. So if you imagine your house has electric storage heaters, the big disadvantage with your house is you don't have any pipework, you don't have any radiators, and you probably don't have a boiler. So to us, you have none of the components that we need to make the heat pump work. So you can imagine the job is going to entail us coming in. We're going to have to take all of your storage heaters out and get rid of them, and then put in a complete heat pump system, all the pipework, all the radiators, hot water cylinder and so on. And that can be quite expensive because you're having a whole system included that you would need even if you went for a gas boiler. The same sort of work would be required. One of the disadvantages with this, of course, is that electric storage heaters tend to be in rented accommodation, and they tend to have been originally installed because they're cheaper to install at the beginning, but as everybody who has them knows, they're very, very expensive to run. One of the questions we ask when we're talking to people with storage heaters, and the answer is always the same, is, are you happy with your current heating system? Everybody hates a storage heater. They're impossible to control, and they always seem to provide heat when you don't want them and don't provide heat when you do. So it's quite common that people are trying to convert from these to heat pumps, but we have to bear in mind the capital cost is higher than just converting a standard system with radiators over to a heat pump.